Hi, welcome to Master Plumber Reviewer. The coverage of this video is about plumbing code, which is 10% on actual board exam. It is also based on the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, or the RA 1378. Hope you enjoy. Review conveniently.
Number 101. What is the minimum pressure for flush tank? A. 15 psi. B. 8 psi. C. 4.33 psi. D. 0.433 psi. The answer. It's A. 15 psi.
Number 102. One fixture unit is equivalent to A. 7.48 liters. B. 28.3 liters. C. 1 liter. D. 264 liters. The answer. It's B. 28.3 liters.
Number 103. A horizontal waste and vent pipe which is sized to provide free circulation of air above the flow line of the drain pipe. A. Combination waste and vent system. B. Continuous wet vent system. C. Non-solvent waste and vent system. D. Ventilating piping system. The answer. It's A. Combination waste and vent system. Number 104. A term used which is contrary to sanitary principle or injurious to health. A. Insanitary. B. Unhealthy. C. Healthful. D. Sanitary. The answer. It's A. Insanitary.
Number 105. The minimum height above the trap for a domestic clothes washer standpipe receptor is blank inches. A. 16. B. 18. C. 20. D. 22. The answer. It's B. 18. Number 106. Section 6 of RA 1378 states that each member of the board shall, at the time of his appointment, A. Be a citizen and resident of the Philippines. B. Be at least 30 years of age and of good moral character. C. Has been actively engaged in the trade of master plumber for at least 5 years. D. All of the above. The answer. It's D. All of the above. Number 107. It is defined as a business which sells food to be consumed on the premises. A. Restaurant. B. Kitchen. C. Bar. D. Hotel. The answer. It's A. Restaurant. Number 108. Any branch in a building drain other than the primary branch. A. Horizontal branch. B. Lateral branch. C. Secondary branch. D. Branch interval. The answer. It's C. Secondary branch. Number 109. What do you call to this device that is used to measure the amount of water that passes through the water service? A. Multimeter. B. Water tank. C. Water counter. D. Water meter. The answer. It's D. Water meter. Number 110. What is the minimum size of the drain pipe for the water closet to discharge into? A. 2 inches. B. 3 inches. C. 4 inches. D. 2 1/2 inches. The answer. It's B. 3 inches. Number 111. The maximum fixture unit loading allowed on 2-inch waste stack is A. 4, B. 6, C. 16, D. 8. The answer: it's A. 4. Number 112. The use of jute, hemp, or oakum is not permitted for caulking or for joining water distribution piping connections. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe, false. D. Sometimes true. The answer: it's A. True. Number 113. Friction loss in a pipe accounts for slowing the rate of flow and can do the following to the amount of water delivered by a pump. A. Decrease. B. Increase. C. Keep the rate the same. D. None of the above. The answer: it's A. Decrease. Number 114. The hot water heating systems transmit only sensible heat to radiators, as distinguished from steam systems, which heat principally by the latent heat of blank. A. Nature. B. The sun. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. The answer: it's D. Evaporation. Number 115. For Manila and environs, what is the rainfall intensity that is being used in millimeter per hour? A. 102. B. 450. C. 150. D. 175. The answer: it's A. 102. Number 116. A vertical vent that is continuation of the drain to which it connects. A. Branch vent. B. Relief vent. C. Continuous vent. D. Circuit vent. The answer: it's C. Continuous vent. Number 117. A piping system designed to control and convey excess groundwater to a suitable location. A. Stormwater drain pipe. B. Sewer pipe. C. Vertical stack. D. Downspout. The answer: it's A. Stormwater drain pipe. Number 118. The indirect waste lines carrying refrigeration waste shall not be smaller than one inlet serving not more than 2.8 cubic meters of refrigeration space. A. 32 mm. B. 51 mm. C. 76 mm. D. 62 mm. The answer: it's A. 32 mm. Number 119. Approval of House Bill No. 962, also known as RA 1378. A. 1978. B. 1852. C. 1954. D. 1935. The answer: it's C. 1954. Number 120. What is a stormwater? A. Wastewater. B. Seawater. C. Rainwater. D. Potable water. The answer: it's C. Rainwater. Number 121. the movement of water to the surface of a soil and into the soil below the surface. A. Storm meter runoff. B. Depression. C. Evaporation. D. Infiltration. The answer. It's D. Infiltration. Number 122. The trap for a clothes washer must be roughed in less than blank inches above the floor. A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. The answer. It's B. 6. Number 123. Under Section 9 of RA 1378, who shall be the executive officer of the board, and shall conduct the examinations given by the board and shall designate any subordinate officer of the Bureau of Civil Service to act as secretary of the board? A. Commissioner of Civil Service. B. PRC Commissioner. C. President of the Philippines. D. BOMP. The answer. It's A. Commissioner of Civil Service. Number 124. What does CS and PS means? A. Commercial specification and product specification. B. Commercial standards and product standards. C. Commercial systems and product systems. D. Commercial sizes and product sizes. The answer. It's B. Commercial standards and product standards. Number 126. The number of occupants for a inn restaurant shall be considered as blank to the number of parking stalls. A. Equal. B. 2 times as. C. 3 times as. D. 4 times as. The answer. It's B. 2 times as. Number 125. Building sewer shall be tested by completely filling the sewer with water from the blank. A. Lowest to at least 10 feet head. B. Lowest to the highest point. C. Lowest to at least ground level. D. Lowest to at least 5 feet head. The answer. It's B. Lowest to the highest point. Number 127. Each such tank shall be structurally designed to withstand all anticipated earth or other loads. All septic tank covers shall be capable of supporting an earth load of blank when the maximum coverage does not exceed 9 meters. A. Not less than 14.4 kPa. B. Not less than 144 kPa. C. Not less than 11.4 kPa. D. Not less than 144 kPa. The answer. It's A. Not less than 14.4 kPa. Number 128. It is a cast iron soil pipe with plain ends connected together with bolted stainless steel bands and neoprene gaskets. A. IPS. B. Double hub. C. Single hub. D. Hubless. The answer. It's D. Hubless. Number 129. This is a valve used for controlling 2 or more outlets in a cold water supply line. A. Heavy-duty gate valve. B. Full-way gate valve. C. Foot valve. D. Globe valve. The answer. It's B. Full-way gate valve. Number 130. What valve is required ahead of each water-supplied appliance, each slip joints or non-metallic connection? A. Flow valve. B. Check valve. C. Control valve. D. Butterfly valve. The answer. It's C. Control valve. Number 131. A vertical vent that is a continuation of the drain to which it is connected. A. Common vent. B. Loop vent. C. Relief vent. D. Continuous vent. The answer. It's D. Continuous vent. Number 132. No direct waste receptor can be installed in any blank. A. Bedroom. B. Storeroom. C. Dining room. D. Family room. The answer. It's B. Storeroom. Number 133. Every building having plumbing fixtures installed and intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use on premises abutting on a street, alley or easement where there is a public sewer, shall be connected to the sewer system. A. Principle number 4. B. Principle number 5. C. Principle number 6. D. Principle number 7. The answer. It's B. Principle number 5. Number 134. Blank shall be connected to the hot and cold water distribution supplies so that the hot water supply is located at left side of the combination fittings. A. Faucets and diverters. B. Vacuum breaker. C. AAV. D. HWT. The answer. It's A. Faucets and diverters. Number 135. The minimum wall thickness of any steel septic tank shall be blank. A. Number 12 US gauge. B. Number 14 US gauge. C. Number 16 US gauge. D. Number 24 US gauge. The answer. It's A. Number 12 US gauge. Number 136. That part of the horizontal piping of sanitary drainage system which measures 0.6 meter downstream from the last mobile home site and conveys sewage to a public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system or other points of disposal. A. Building sewer. B. Mobile home park sewer. C. Disposal field. D. Leaching field. The answer. It's B. Mobile home park sewer. Number 137. What is the material not listed in the code for use in water piping? A. Plastic. B. Cast iron. C. Aluminum. D. Asbestos cement. The answer. It's C. Aluminum. Number 138. What is the size of waste pipe for urinal? A. 32 mm. B. 38 mm. C. 40 mm. D. 50 mm. The answer. It's D. 50 mm. Number 139. A vent pipe which receives waste from a shower. A. A wet vent. B. A common vent. C. A circuit vent. D. An island vent. The answer. It's A. A wet vent. Number 140. To properly connect a steam pipe to a plumbing drainage system. A. The pipe must not be less than 10 feet in length. B. The diameter of the pipe must be a minimum of 1 1/4 inches. C. A direct connection must be made to a waste stack only. D. An indirect connection must be made. The answer. It's D. An indirect connection must be made. Number 141. Plumbing fixtures, devices, and appurtenances shall be supplied with water in sufficient volume and at pressures adequate to enable them to function properly and without undue noise under normal conditions of use. A. Principle number 2. B. Principle number 3. C. Principle number 4. D. Principle number 5. The answer. It's A. Principle number 2. Number 142. Consists of a body, a checking member and an atmospheric opening. A. DC. B. PVB. C. RP. D. AVB. The answer. It's D. AVB. Number 143. It is the lowest piping system that receives the discharge from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes. A. Building sewer. B. Building drain. C. Soil pipe. D. Asbestos pipe. The answer. It's B. Building drain. Number 144. What is the size of waste pipe for bathtub? A. 32 to 38 mm. B. 38 to 42 mm. C. 38 to 51 mm. D. 42 to 51 mm. The answer. It's C. 38 to 51 mm. Number 145. DWV material means. A. Drainage, water vents. B. Drainage water valve. C. Drainage, waste and vent. D. None of these. The answer. It's C. Drainage, waste and vent. Number 146. The primary purpose of a yoke vent is A. To connect a waste stack to a vent stack. B. To connect a vent stack to a soil stack. C. To connect a loop vent to a stack vent. D. To prevent pressure changes in stacks. The answer. It's D. To prevent pressure changes in stacks. Number 147. The receptors receiving the discharge of indirect waste pipes must be of a shape and capacity that will blank. A. Prevent splashing. B. Serve the intended use. C. Avoid collecting solids. D. Intercept ingredients harmful to the building drainage system. The answer. It's A. Prevent splashing. Number 148. A large opening in a sewer line or part of a plumbing system constructed with sufficient size for a man to gain access therein for maintenance purposes and facility for changes of line and or grade of pipeline. A. Catch basin. B. Manhole. C. Access. D. Effective opening. The answer. It's B. Manhole. Number 149. The purpose for which a building is used or intended to be used. A. Single-family dwelling. B. Occupancy. C. Recreation. D. Structure. The answer. It's B. Occupancy.
Number 150. A set of regulation adapted by an administrative agency that has jurisdiction over material and design specification in plumbing. A. Building Code. B. Civil Code. C. Code of Ethics. D. Plumbing Code. The answer. It's D. Plumbing Code.
Good job. You're all done with part 3. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. Please follow, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, future master plumbers.